going on here, guys? I'm calling this the Extreme Radiant Energy Breakthrough Circuit. I discovered that, well, the major discovery will be in the PDF. It'll be behind that $15 paywall too, so that way I can keep supporting my work. But it's a very simple circuit. But anyway, to sum it up, I'm starting to master the effect. This 10-watt bulb, incandescent, is lit to more than full intensity, while the transmitter is only consuming 4.2 watts. And I will demonstrate the effect, the surge of radiant energy, the radiant energy surge effect, where when I first connect it, the bulb will glow extremely bright. So transmitter unloaded consumes 15 watts, and the more I load the wireless receiver circuitry, the more efficient it becomes. So as you see, we dropped to less than 5 watts. We're running a 10-watt incandescent bulb, more than full intensity, and we're consuming less than 5 watts. And in case that wasn't impressive enough, we still have radiant energy effects. I can touch these little receiver lights to anything metal. They light fully. My theory was true. I can keep duplicating the circuits in the receiver section, in the wireless receiver section of the circuitry. The exact circuit that I have here, the exact combined circuit, will be in the $15 updated PDF now. So I'm trying to get all these in effect, but you can just see the surge of radiant energy. I need to make some kind of switching device here. It seems the moment upon switch closure, there's an extreme surge in radiant energy. And look at our power consumption. It's dropping to nothing. 1.4 watts. I gotta make some kind of oscillator tube or oscillator circuit with a transistor here. Fuck, that's bright. It's hurting my eyes. And I have the power supply clamped at under 16 watts. So, again, lit full intensity. Consuming less than 5 watts. We have a 10-watt bulb lit to over max brightness, and our power input dropped. And we still maintain the wireless energy effects. And my camera's kind of acting weird. The wireless power is somewhere. I just gotta find it somewhere in this area. That's weird. Dielectric field seems to be saturated. What is going on with my camera? Hope this video comes out okay. I'll still upload it anyway. But my camera is like spazzing out from this thing. That's just nuts. So that's going. Full intensity, we're consuming less than 5 watts, and we can still do this. Give a quick room tour. Nothing under the desk. Nothing in here. All my combined circuitry. So that's that, and it's getting very interesting. So thank you again to all those who support me. The updated circuit, this exact circuit, will be in the PDF, which is in the link in the description. So thank you again. And I shut the system off. It goes out. I turn it on. It comes on. Whoa, I think we blew the bulb. We blew the bulb with that surge in current. The radiant energy comes in powerful surges. Oh yeah, that bulb is blown. I should show that larger bulbs can be lit too. I gotta be careful. I'll show you the amperage output at this circuit. I almost forgot to do that. Amperage output at the Radiant Energy circuit is 300 milliamps at almost 100 volts, and that's enough to run these bulbs, incandescents. And keep in mind, I can keep duplicating the circuit, and when I run the incandescents, my power consumption drops. So I wanted to show that. I'm going to do something else to the circuit which makes it even better. Just gonna have to connect this. Just have to kind of be at an awkward angle. Just give me a second while I connect it. Come on. And it's connected. Alright, so we now have, with that resonator, that additional resonator, we have 133 volts DC with 1.34 amps. 1.3 amps. And our input is 321 milliamps. Output 1.42 amps at almost 120 volts DC, kind of fluctuating as my hand and body is near the system. We'll connect a bulb again. Just the surge in power is incredible. I have to somehow pulse that. Oh my god, that's incredible. We literally unlocked the secrets to the kingdom of limitless power. I'm blowing bulbs, and as I blow them, my input wattage to the transmitter drops. How do you explain that? I don't think I can show this. I'll try. I don't want to get zapped. He's lit. That big incandescent. So, I'm going to have to make a proper video, document everything, put it in the PDF. So, I'll even connect this huge halogen. And he will slowly begin to heat. Keep in mind, when the halogen is connected, the circuit consumes less power. And this DC power supply also has a very high idle current. As you see, it's plugged into the watt meter. It consumes anywhere from 5 to 6 watts just having the DC power supply plugged in unloaded. So once we use a battery with a DC to DC buck converter, it'll be much more efficient. And the system's getting very interesting. So stay tuned, and thank you all to everyone.